I'll explain you how to display things properly by using this program which I just wrote for you. This has two portions. One portion, bottom portion, I have commented. It is for things like string literals and field widths, and the upper portion is for showing the numbers properly. Okay, let us understand this first. What I am doing is, first we should actually explain you that any display neatness program will contain this library called IO manip. IO manip is IO manipulation. Okay. We'll set the format of this to scientific, and we'll do this like using the setf method available in cout, and we'll pass on this iOS flag as scientific. We'll also do this set precision for whatever precision numbers after decimal digit has to be shown. But since we have set it to scientific, so scientific means some number multiplied by 10 to the powers. Here we are doing it for fixed. Fixed means not scientific. The similar way we write in a decimal system, we have set to precision to 2 here also. And in fact, once the set precision is done, it can be carried on. It is a persistent thing, right? I can write that set precision is persistent. I can write here just set precision is persistent. Persistent means it carries on till we set some other precision. And here we have shown a number which will be set precision to 2. That means it will be shown as 0.68 because this is more than 5 after this, so this will become higher. This also will be up to 2, and this is more than 5 after this, 5 or more, so this will become 0.35. Let us first see this, what happens to this result. This is for displaying neatly scientific numbers or normal fractional numbers. So this is showing me up to 2 precision here, 1.23 and 10 to power 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0.68 as I told you, and then 1.2.35. Right? Just see, if I make this precision as 4 and I say just I'll do 3 and I don't use this, right? So this precision will be maintained. Let us see that. So this is also 3 precision, this is also 3 precision, this is also 3 precision. Okay. And this also, instead of writing like this, we can do as a part of chain. Scientific. Just this way also we can do. Right? So this will be scientific. Just see. It should work now as scientific. Right. This one is scientific and this we have fixed. Right. So scientific and fixed can be used in the cout insertion chain as well. Now we will comment this portion to understand the bottom portion for displaying neatly. Here we are trying to fix up altitude of some cities, where we are trying to fix up things like New York City altitude is 10 from sea level and New Delhi altitude is 216 from sea level. This program has been written by using the set iOS flags left and set width to 20, means first column will take 20 space, and remember that setw is not persistent, so it has to be done again and again within the same chain. So for the next column we have set a width to 4, and the left column we are setting for because it is a string literal, we want it to be set to left aligned, and right one is a number, so we want it to be set to right aligned. And once these settings are done, for each row we have to reset the iOS flag so that settings of the second row are also effective. So this is left, this is right, and setw again field width is New Delhi for 20 because so that we can have a columnar format. let us uncomment this and see. This exercise will be very useful for you. Please do try it yourself, because such flags can allow you to show things neatly. Here, see, this is right aligned and this is left aligned. Just see the effect. If I remove this reset IO flags, then the second row effects may not be right as per our desire. Just see when the output comes. This reset IOS flags is really important. See, now the second row has misfired for us. This has become right aligned based upon whatever right aligned here was there. So for every row, the flags have to be reset, and the new flags applied within the insertion chain. And if I don't use this, see, this is not persistent, so this can still work. Just see. It will take its own field size, because setw20 will not occur for this. Let us see, because it is working in a chain. Let us see how it happens. It has taken its own size, and this 216 is getting printed immediately after this. So I want it to be using this flag rightly, and width is 4, so it is important that I put right width. But it definitely did not take 20 width. So just to show this, that this is not persistent across multiple things. So it should again show me the right kind of results. Okay, so we learned setf and scientific, fixed, and setprecision. We learned setw, set IOS flex left and right. And remember this, that set IOS flex and this setf can have multiple things also together. Fine. For example, I can try this iOS scientific, but this may require much larger field width. iOS, and so multiple flags I am trying here. Let us try this here. Some error is there. Yeah, this flag actually works for setf. I can try this like this. Spellings are also important for these kind of flags. Let us see how it is working, because this is a insertion chain. So it will show me in the scientific terms means in the 10 to powers. It is not working here, but it has set the width to that, but it is not working here because this cannot be set to scientific, because in terms of scientific also this is not a fraction. Let me show it as a fraction. What happens if it is a fraction? Is it converting it to the scientific notation? Yes, it has converted. Right? So in this kind of thing it works. Okay?
Please like, share and subscribe.